Friends, today we are unboxing MacBook Air M1 processor basic edition, which we got on a student discount. So let's look at that. This is the packaging from Blue Dart. It has come through Critical Express, and these are the free AirPods which cost me extra. AirPods Pro they have given. These are 10,000 rupees extra. We have already opened this, so if you can look at this, just see, this is the AirPods Pro. So these, AirPods are very good. So what else they have given? They have given a lightning cable, lightning to type C cable. This is lightning to type C, and they have given some free earbuds. That's it, no charger and anything. It also supports Wi-Fi charging, as you can see. So let's keep this aside. So this is the box AirPods came in. So now let's unbox MacBook Air M1 processor. So this is the packing. As you can see, the price of MacBook is 92,900, which we have got for 83,000 change, and we have also got paid 10,000 extra for the AirPods, so it's cost around 92 only. So this is the invoice. Leave it. So let's unbox the phone. So this is the MacBook Air. See, Apple system. It automatically pops up. Okay. This is the MacBook Air. Side nothing. See, 8 GB. You can see 8 GB unified memory, 256 GB SSD, 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip. Many of you know that M1 is the latest MacBook, Apple's processor. So let's open the and as you can see, this is the MacBook Air. We have got it on students discount. This is the silver color. So this is the MacBook. Let's keep this up. So they have given a USB Type C to Type C cable. Type C to Type C. This. A charging brick. Which they have provided. This is the charging brick. It's 30 watts charging brick they have provided. Okay. And some paperwork, and the traditional Apple stickers as well. See, these are the traditional Apple stickers and some paperwork. MacBook Air Pro with these traditional Apple stickers. Okay, let's leave it. So let's keep it aside and let's just start the MacBook M1 Pro. So this is, let's start. Oh, nice sound. It's starting. Okay, as you can see, it's already loading. It's an already loaded. We have selected English. India. And let me just pause the video for a minute and we will get back to you. So guys, as you can see, the laptop is ready. MacBook Air. These are the keys and this is the Touch ID. And this is what it looks like. The Finder, Safari browser. And we are also new users of Mac, so bear with us. We will be patient in suggesting and answering your queries. So this, thank you very much. And it has ambient lighting and see, as you can see, the camera is 720p camera, but it's not visible. Sorry to say. See, it has FaceTime. Let me see. As you can see, cam quality is very clearer, and as I'm a Windows user, you can see that the minimize Windows the buttons are on the left side. Actually, the Apple offer is available up to August 1st, and you can get a free AirPods also. And if you pay 10,000 bucks extra, you will be getting AirPods Pro with this laptop. So it's up to your choice. We have paid a 10,000 extra for AirPods Pro. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. And feel free to ask any questions regarding the discount and all. But we have got a student ID, so the only one purchase is allowed for the student ID, so I can't give you any student ID, but I can guide you on that. Okay, so thank you very much.